Inside these delicate forest channels lies the primary foundation for high-performance athletic footwear.
At this stage, manual precision ensures that no contaminants ruin the natural elasticity. Across the line, thousands of liters merge to form a uniform industrial batch. Within seconds, this valuable cargo begins its journey toward the high-tech assembly lines. Under controlled conditions, experts verify structural purity before these components reach the factory.
Within seconds, this valuable cargo begins its journey toward the high-tech assembly lines.
Modern athletic textiles depend heavily on sustainable raw alternatives to traditional petroleum bases.
Across vast transport networks, global supply lines converge toward specialized regional manufacturing centers.
Across vast transport networks, global supply lines converge towards specialized regional manufacturing centers. Now, these distinct resources cross the threshold into a highly organized manufacturing ecosystem.
Beneath the surface of daily logistics lies a precisely timed material management framework. This modern facility represents the ultimate destination for components sourced from across the globe.
Every morning, thousands of skilled operators enter this facility under strict safety compliance. Under controlled conditions, initial hygiene protocols eliminate external particulates from entering clean zones. Within these walls, international standards dictate every phase of the complex fabrication cycle.
Beneath the surface, high-pressure air streams separate usable material from manufacturing remnants. Here, raw synthetic polymers undergo mechanical separation to remove microscopic storage debris.
Within seconds, these sorted batches move directly toward the core chemical transformation chambers.
At this stage, human tactile evaluation confirms material flexibility before massive thermal processing. Now, magnetic field arrays extract fine metallic impurities from the raw material stream.
At this stage, precise material hardness testing prevents structural failure during high-impact athletic use. Within fractions of a second, automated presses cut textile layers with absolute geometric precision. Under intense mechanical pressure, the hot rubber acquires its specific tensile strength properties. Inside this high-pressure chamber, raw ingredients blend into a durable, uniform outsole compound.
Here, the processed intermediate material is converted into granular form for final structural transformation.
Beyond the glass, continuous extrusion lines produce uniform material thickness for optimal shock absorption.
Now, intense heat and pressure fuse the polymer granules into lightweight, reactive midsoles. At this stage, vulcanization chemically sets the tread geometry for maximum traction and durability. Within seconds, verified component panels are organized to enter the highly automated assembly channels.
Here, advanced robotic manipulators apply micro-precise chemical primers to ensure permanent component adhesion later.
Within fractions of a second, ultraviolet lasers etch unique tracking indicators onto every component.
Automated dual spray systems eliminate human variance to guarantee perfectly balanced adhesive distribution across parts.
At this stage, uniform omnidirectional pressure secures the permanent matrix bond across all materials. Beyond the glass, smart optical sensors calculate real-time spatial orientation for perfect structural mating. Across the line,
Expert operators insert structural foot lasts to establish final dimension profiles. Under controlled conditions, manual detailing ensures that interior comfort components lie perfectly flat inside.
At this stage, rapid thermal reduction sets the polymer memory to preserve shoe shape permanently.
Here, continuous dynamic deformation testing simulates hundreds of kilometers of running stress within hours.
Under controlled conditions, manual detailing ensures that interior comfort components lie perfectly flat inside.
Beneath the surface, microscopic inspection verifies that chemical adhesion layers meet international structural standards. Within seconds, approved pairs receive final quality stamps before passing into the packaging channels.
Across the line, precision impact simulation registers the exact shock attenuation values of new foams.
Beyond the glass, automated packaging lines construct protective structural boxes with minimal material waste.
Inside this massive staging zone, finished pallets are secured under strict international shipping standards.
Inside this massive staging zone, finished pallets are secured under strict international shipping. Across vast networks, millions of shoes move from high-tech lines to athletes worldwide.
Within seconds, another complex production cycle concludes, driving performance innovation further across the globe.